This 2008 Porsche Cayenne is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Porsche Cayenne GTS 4, 8LV8 engine 6-speed Tiptronic transmission rear view camera heated front seat sheeted exterior mirrors leather wrapped steering wheel automatic xenon headlight steering wheel control adjustable steering wheel keyless entry power windows power door locks remote trunk release white exterior gray leather interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for details. Walk around way. Hope you are next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2008 Porsche Cayenne GTS is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the revisit us at autogallerychicago.com.